Leverage by Bill Hugall and Mark Barrett review and $3,350 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my leverage review, brand new case study and course released by Bill Hugall and Mark Barrett. Now, I know two of these guys really well. Bill Hugall used to be my internet marketing coach, so he actually took me from making $3,000 per month on Fiverr to making 10,000 plus per month just launching products. So he definitely knows what he's talking about inside his courses. And actually I was in the coaching group together with Mark, so me and Mark were his students. Now Mark and Bill teamed up. I met both of them personally many times obviously, and I know that these two guys know how to make money online. And in this new case study they will show you 5 leverage points, and leverage points are essentially traffic sources that you can use if you are new to making money online. If you don't have a list, if you don't have a social media already built up, this is something you can start using from scratch and start making money. And they actually made $1,273 in 3 days starting from scratch, and they include a case study. Okay, so we're gonna go through all of it as always, and I have a huge $3,350 bonus that I give away for free if you'll decide to pick it up from my link. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this leverage review. And before I'm going to show you the sales page, I actually thought about something. I just went to Fiverr to the web traffic category and I just checked out how much people are charging for traffic. And keep in mind, all this traffic on Fiverr is fake, okay? So people sometimes go to Fiverr, you know, I like to show Fiverr in my review videos. They go to Fiverr just to maybe buy some traffic, and I know that some of you guys might even think that this is real traffic, but it is not. This is traffic only for websites. Just to pump up the stats, okay? So like if someone has a website that they want to sell, obviously they want to show that they are getting some traffic to it, and you know, this way the buyer will think that this website actually gets traffic, but it's all fake. It doesn't work. These are not real visitors. These are just bots, computer bots that are visiting and triggering the algorithm, okay? So as you can see, people are charging anywhere from 10 to like $120 for these gigs. So this guy says, I will drive 25 days Google organic search traffic. You know there is a scam because it says it's for 25 days. I will get visitor traffic while targeting search engine networks. That's a scam as well. I will send German visits, traffic Germany, etc. Scam as well. You know, no one can guarantee you traffic from a certain source unless they're like a huge website. You know, no one will do it for $10. I just thought I'm going to share this with you because inside Leverage you're going to get 5 different traffic sources that you can use, again, starting from scratch. So if you need traffic, don't go to Fiverr, don't buy these gigs, because these gigs for the most part are a scam, and you know, people buy these gigs just to pump up the stats. These are not real people. And with that being said, let's check out Leverage and their sales page. And as you can see, it says Leverage case study reveals a brand new newbie friendly method for banking $1,273.46 in 3 days without any prior experience or technical skills. So again, both Bill and Mark, they actually have tons of experience, but they created this case study like they would be totally new and they would have nothing but just knowledge of how to make money, okay? So they didn't use any existing email list, they didn't use any existing social media accounts, they started from scratch, okay? So this is what they will show to you inside the case study. So again, this is Mark, this is Bill. These are the two guys behind this new case study and course. Leverage, that's the name of the product. Obviously, this is my leverage review, and this is the result, okay? So as you can see, they made $1,273.46, and they have all of these different traffic sources, okay? So as you can see, the first one made them like $177, the second $136, the third one $134, etc. So you know, the total is $1,273, and the idea is that they use these 5 leverage points, with leverage being traffic sources, okay? So again, $1,273, and if you would repeat this every 3 days, you would make $154 $4,000 in a year, which is not uncommon. I know a lot of people that make 6 figures per year doing nothing else but affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'm gonna have some testimonials right here. 30 days money back guarantee as always. These guys will give you some bonuses. You're gonna get my $3,000 bonus on top of this. And that's essentially it. You can go through all of this in your own time. And right now let me show you the inside of the members areas. So obviously this is a case study, so everything is shot in a over-the-shoulder video format. So as you can see, we got all of these videos right here. So first of all, we get the overview. We have setting it up part 1 and part 2. We have picking offers, we have leverage follow-up, then we have leverage point number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the 5 points of just generating traffic. They call it leverage because obviously you need some initial leverage if you want to start making money online as a total newbie, as someone that never made a dime online, or maybe doesn't really know how to generate traffic. Maybe you made a few sales online before, but maybe you didn't quite understand how you did it. Maybe you just got lucky, maybe you just shared something on Facebook and made like a few sales. But this is something that you can actually do consistently. Okay, so I can't really share all of obviously these traffic sources with you right now because that would defeat the purpose of creating a course. But trust me, these 5 traffic sources is something that you can start generating traffic with from scratch. You don't need an experience. Essentially, you are leveraging someone else's existing traffic source. Okay, so obviously in some cases this will be paid traffic, in other cases it will be free traffic, but you can essentially leverage already existing traffic sources, and that's why it is so brilliant. Okay, so you can essentially leverage someone else's already existing online business and make profit from it. Okay, so as you can see, then we have real profit and the conclusion. So all of this is a case study. As you can see, obviously you can join Bill's YouTube channel here and Mark's YouTube channel right here. You can contact their support. And that's essentially it. Again, I like it because it is an over-the-shoulder case study. It is based on real results, and they actually made 1,270 whatever it was dollars, and they show you exactly how to do it. So they used 5 different traffic sources, 5 different leverage sources, and you can use 1 or 2 or all 5, totally up to you. So this is what you're gonna find inside the members area. And right now let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. So as you can see, the main product will be $12.97. Crazy low. If you think you can make 100 times that in a matter of 3 days. Okay, so they give it away for a really low price, less than 13 bucks. Upgrade number 1 will be $67. I'm gonna tell you in a second what these are. Upgrade number 2, $77. Upgrade number 3, $197. Upgrade number 4, $197 as well. And upgrade number 5, $697. And let's check out which is what. Okay, so again, leverage, main product $12.97. Everything that I just showed you is included in the main product. Leverage OTO number 1, that's a done for you pack. Okay, so for $67 you are getting a done for you pack, which includes 20 products and matching promo material. Okay, so essentially 20 done for you marketing campaigns. Then we have OTO number 2, 10x training and done for you follow-up series. So this is $77. So obviously if you want to scale up this income, you won't be able really to do it with what you get in the main product. You will still be able to make 6 figures online, but if you want to 10x it, you're gonna get additional training, all the tricks on how to turn clicks into customer with nothing else but a written word. Okay, so that's additional training and done for you follow-up series, $77 OTO number 2. OTO number 3, we have Black Label Affiliates private and exclusive mastermind. So for $197 you can join this mastermind. So this will be a weekly class run by Bill and Mark, and this will be with top shelf affiliates, and obviously you can join this class and start learning from them. So this is private, and this is something that the public will never see. So $197, totally worth it in my opinion. OTO number 4, we got leverage license to print money, which is essentially license rights to leverage. So for $197 you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits on the main product and the whole funnel. Okay, so me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. I'm straight up about that with you. And if you want to make 100% commissions, you don't have to worry about hosting or sales pages or support. Essentially this is a done for you online online business. You keep all the money and it will only cost you $197. And the last OTO, the last upsell, is a custom done for you funnel build and success coaching. So this is $697, a little bit more expensive, but they will actually have a physical person logging into your accounts, building your funnel up, and you're also going to get success coaching from Bill and Mark. Okay, so that's $697, not for everyone, a little bit more expensive, but again, keep in mind this is coaching, and a physical person that they will have to pay will actually log into your accounts and set all of this up for you. Plus you're gonna get one-on-one coaching. So if you want to pick up one of these OTOs, then you can definitely think about what would really help you. You know, I wouldn't recommend picking everything up and just getting overwhelmed. Just think about one or two maybe, if you have the money to invest, and think what would really help you, like maybe the done for you pack, or maybe the weekly calls. Totally up to you. OTOs are optional as always, and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But if you want to make your life a little bit easier, or maybe if you want the coaching, then you can consider picking up one of these. Now let me show you all of the bonuses I got for you, because I'm going to give away again more than $3,000 in value, and this is real value. Okay, so these are either software or my own courses or full-blown case studies. These are not PLR products. These are actual products that either are selling right now or used to sell and used to be on sale. Either my products or products from Mark or Bill. Okay, so first of all, let me mention to you that Leverage goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on December 10th. And if you want to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links on my review on my blog. And if you're watching on YouTube, just click on the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page. The second link will take you to my blog right here if you want to check out the written review. So first of all, I'm going to give you free custom made bonuses I made especially for this promotion. Now these free custom bonuses will talk about generating traffic. So generating traffic for free with paid ads and with SEO. Okay, so these are free custom made bonuses I made especially for Leverage. You're really gonna love these, and you cannot buy it anywhere else. By the way, I'm also going to give you 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. Okay, so this is something that I normally sell as a part of an OTO that I have to my own products. You're gonna get it for free. Again, 5 done for you affiliate marketing campaigns. You're also going to give a bunch of W's of the Day awarded products. You're going to get Explosivo, Profit Vortex, Unbreakable, Atomic Profits, Holiday Gold Rush, Reactor, The Milk It Method, Laptop Legacy, List Mastery Pro, Poolside Profits, Newbie Traffic Formula, Easy Profit Secrets, 6 Minutes Profits, Traffic Titan, Pinnacle, Traffic Problem Solved, Quick Affiliate Snipers, and Explode Your List. Now these are all W's of the Day awarded products. These some of these are still on sale. You can still buy it for $10 to $17 a pop, and some of these are not available any longer. But again, these are W's of the Day awarded products. You're gonna get some bonus material from me. You're gonna get email examples done for you, lists. You're gonna get potential domain leads if you want to do domain flipping, and you're also going to get my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus additional W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this will bring it up to a total of $3,350. Now I'm going to give all of this away for free to you if you'll decide to pick it up through my link. And again, if you want to pick up Leverage through my link, just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or the first link in the description from YouTube. And as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, including the funnel, including a full written review right here, including all the proof and everything else, and including the sum up. So let me sum up this Leverage review right now. So first of all, this is a brand new case study and a method. I never really saw anyone combining 5 different traffic case studies into one product. This is something that is proven to work, and it worked for Bill and Mark. So definitely something that you can just follow, do step by step, and you're gonna see results with this. You're gonna get 5 leverage points, which means 5 different traffic sources. This is a real life case study, and again, they made $1,273 in 3 days, which is pretty great. You know, it's like how much, like $400 a day? Pretty good. You can start with free traffic. You're gonna make money in 24 hours or less, and you can scale this up to 6 figures per year. I know personally a bunch of people that are making 6 figures per year with nothing else but affiliate marketing. So this is entirely possible. You can do affiliate marketing without shooting videos like I'm shooting, you know, my review videos. You know, you can do it, but it is not necessary. And in this case study, you'll see 5 different ways of making affiliate marketing work without doing what I'm doing, because I know a lot of you guys don't have the time to do, like, you know, 3 to 5 hours per day of video editing and uploading and SEO and all that stuff. So this is for someone that is just starting out without any real knowledge, and you're gonna see results with this. So I really like this. And just one thing before I go, I just wanted to mention to you that all of these bonuses I have to offer with this product or with any other product are always automatically delivered to you with your download. Okay, so if you'll decide to pick up any product I'm promoting through my link, all you have to do to get my bonus is just to go to your purchase history. So all you have to do it is just click on your icon right here on the top right corner of Warrior Plus, and JVisual is exactly the same. Click on purchase history, then click on one of the products that you got through my link. This will open up the delivery page, and then obviously on the delivery page below the green button that says access the product, you will have another button saying bonus from Art. So this is how my bonus is always delivered. So you don't have to send me any emails, you don't have to you know, send me receipts, anything like that. Everything is automatic, so it should be right there if you used my link. Okay, if you use someone else's link, then you're gonna get their bonus, obviously. But if you used my link and if you didn't get your bonus for some reason, please contact me. You can leave me a comment on YouTube, you can email me, or contact me on social media inside my Facebook marketing group. So just contact me and make sure that you pick up any product from my link. I'm going to send you the bonus. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please like it. Please subscribe to the channel if you like these review videos. I'm only reviewing top products. Okay, so you know, I saw some comments saying I only give like 4 or 5 stars to all the products. That's why, because I only pick the best products to review for you guys. Okay, so if the product is not good, I'm not going to review it. I'm not going to waste my time and your time. Okay, so I only pick the best products to review, and Leverage is definitely one of these amazing products. For $13, you're gonna get a case study showing you how to start from scratch, get traffic from 5 different places, and make money this way. So I really like it, and again, it will be going live at 9 a.m. Eastern on December 10th. Pick it up from my link to get the bonus, and I will see you inside the next video. Ciao.